Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to make money online here in 2018. Some free methods that you guys can use and sit at your home in your jammies. So whether or not you are 15, 16, 17, 18, or if you're just some broke old person who wants to make money online in the comfort of their own home. So stay tuned for details. I'm gonna go get changed into something comfortable because after all, we are talking about working from home. So I'm gonna go jump into my jammies and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, you guys. What's up? Obviously, I have on my robe now. This is actually not my robe because I don't have one, but this is my wife's. As you can see, it's a little bit too short for me. But before we start, guys, full disclosure, obviously I am not a teenager, even though this video does apply to teenagers 15 to 18, but it also does apply to anyone at any age. So let's get into it. You know, like I said, I'm in something comfortable because that's what it's all about, working from home and being in your jammies, right? So let's dive into it. Also guys, if this is your first time to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And also to the right of that, you'll notice a bell notification. Make sure you click that too so you can stay up to date on all my newest videos. Okay guys, so like I said, today we're going to be learning about some ways to make money online here in 2018. So let's jump right into it. So what we're going to take a look at first is it's a couple of sites that basically allow you to promote your services. So if you're really good at computer, or if you're good at, you know, making logos and designs for people, if you're good in graphic designs, one thing that you can check out is a couple of sites that I have personally used, a couple of them before, but basically it's sites such as like Fiverr, Upwork, and PeoplePerHour. And at these sites, like you can see here, basically, you know, you can go into Fiverr. That's one of the sites that I have personally used, but not as promoting my services, but to find other people. I like to hire other people who are smarter than me. So Fiverr is one of those websites, like I said, that you can easily find services if you type in, say, logo design. And then you pull up basically people who are offering their services to make you a logo, whether it's for YouTube or for marketing, whatever it is. If you have a business, you need a logo. So like you can see, these are people's ads. Basically, it's people who have promoted their services, and you can check depending on, you know, whatever you like. You know, starting prices here, as you can see, it's $25 starting at, and this one's starting at 40, starting at 800. So that, I don't know, that must be a really good logo. But anyway, it's sites like these that basically allow you to start making money online without having to put out anything, because it's typically free to join. I don't think there's any monthly fee. But same thing with Upwork.com. So with Upwork, it's basically the same kind of concept. I've used Upwork as well. Personally, in the past, I've used Upwork to hire someone to cold call for me to pull in clients. So Upwork is very similar to Fiverr. It's basically a bunch of freelancers going in and promoting their services. But there's one other site that I have not personally used, but I know it's kind of similar to where people basically go online and offer their services as a basically a freelancer, and basically a lot of times it's either done per job or per hour. So PeoplePerHour, go check that out as well. But like I said, I'm only familiar with the first two, Fiverr and Upwork. So I really like how easy it is to use. It's easy to join, it's easy to become a seller. So if for instance you want to go into Fiverr, as you can see here on top, become a seller, and it easily, you can, after you sign up, you can easily start promoting your services and to finding people to purchase your services for whatever niche that you have, whether, like I said, whether it's clothing design, whether it's logo making, graphic design, whatever. Now, the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is something that I'm not as familiar with, but I know that a lot of people, especially now in today's digital age, a lot of people have actually started using these sites to basically make a lot of money. And so what that basically is e-commerce. So what I mean by that, there's sites such as, you may have heard of, Amazon FBA, that stands for Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. And then there's also Shopify, there's also eBay. So to put that into perspective, people have been, basically branding themselves on such sites as Amazon and eBay and Shopify, where they have basically a store, but everything is no inventory. So in other words, they are simply going on to these really known large affiliate sites. I'm sorry, maybe that's the wrong term, not affiliate sites, but these huge companies such as Amazon, and basically, they shop for products that are not branded, and they purchase it. So whether it's from China, or if you go to your local store and find products, if you go in the clearance section of Walmart or Target, some people actually spend days and days actually going from store to store, trying to find that product that is unbranded. And then what they do is they take it and they turn around, and if you wanted to store it at home, you could, and that's your own inventory. But basically what they do is they have it shipped to like an Amazon warehouse, for example, and that's why it's fulfilled by Amazon. So every time you make a sale through Amazon, they fulfill it and they do all the shipment and they do all the orders, the returns, etc. You can handle everything from the business purely online in the comfort of your own home. So whatever your age may be, like I said, if you're a teenager or if you're an older person like me, I'm an old fart, so whatever age you may be, just kind of look at some of these sites and find specifically a niche or niche. I'm not really sure how it's pronounced, but find a particular niche that works best for you and fits best for what you like, what you enjoy. Because at the end of the day, what I've seen personally and from my experience in the past and some of my failed mistakes is, if you don't pick a niche or a category, a industry that you actually enjoy, that you actually like, you may end up quitting. Because I've gone through so many types of online companies before I kind of found my niche, and so if you don't enjoy what you're promoting, if you don't enjoy what you're doing, at the end of the day, you're just going to end up quitting. And then what's going to happen is you're probably just going to find another company or another online method that potentially could make you money. And there is the huge potential to make money there, but what's going to end up happening is you're going to repeat the process over and over again, meaning that if you don't stick to something that's within your niche or that's something that you actually enjoy doing, you're going to repeat the process of quitting and saying that this is a scam, nothing works. So disclaimer, guys, find something that you do enjoy. These are all suggestions. I have used some of these, but I don't specialize in Amazon fulfillment or Shopify. So these are just purely suggestions, but these are realistic ideas here in 2018 of how you can make money online. So finally, I'd like to talk to you guys about affiliate marketing. That is my third and my most favorite thing that you can do to actually start making money online from home, in comfort of your home, here in 2018. And the great thing about this type of platform is it's easy to start. So none of these actually require any money except for maybe the Amazon fulfillment by Amazon and Shopify. You may have to spend a little bit of money, but typically you can start with very little, or just go to, like I said, to Walmart clearance or Target clearance and spend very little money and start making money online. Okay, so last but not least, my favorite subject is affiliate marketing, guys. I have been doing this for a short while, And as you have maybe seen in one of my previous videos, affiliate marketing lets you basically start with very little capital or none, depending on how you market. You can get organic leads. All that organic leads simply means is free leads. So a lot of times with affiliate marketing, like, all this boils down to your marketing efforts. Whatever affiliate program that you do decide to join, all you have to do is find a company that has an affiliate program. So what do I mean by that? Here I'm going to show you, basically the hugest companies that you may have heard of. Everybody knows this. Number one is Walmart. They actually have an affiliate program. Many people don't know about this. Typically when you go to companies, you're probably used to going to Walmart or Amazon, and instead of finding an affiliate program, what most people do here is they probably scroll here. Here's the Walmart site. You'll scroll down and most people go to here, careers. But instead of doing that, where you're on a 9-to-5 job, you're having to go into corporate and you're searching, from state to state. A lot of people don't know this, but actually Walmart has here under Walmart services, if you click under other services, Walmart takes you to basically other services that they offer. So if you scroll down to the very bottom of this Walmart site, I don't know why it's jumping around here, but you will see here an affiliate program. So under Walmart.com services, and then you click on affiliate program. That is basically Walmart's link so that you can become an affiliate. See here, become a Walmart affiliate. Basically all you're doing is referring people to Walmart through ad creation, through driving traffic. It all boils down to just driving traffic. What happens is once you become an affiliate, you typically get an affiliate link. So if you're a Walmart associate, and let me resize this here so you guys can see a little bit better. But basically, once you are a Walmart affiliate, you will get a link as an affiliate, and that affiliate link is specific to you. And so as you're using that specific affiliate link to drive traffic to purchase, if someone searches the web and they use your link and they purchase a product from Walmart based off of your link, you will get paid a commission off of that sale. So same thing with Amazon here. As you can see, here's the Amazon site. Amazon, Jeff Bezos, I believe, has hit as the richest person in the world. Can you believe that? He beat out Bill Gates, I believe, a couple of months ago. And so he is now the richest person in the world. Why? Because basically Amazon does not own a single product. Everything is basically someone else's, and they ship it, and they basically use Amazon as their warehouse. So Amazon is the largest company. They have a huge amount of warehouses all around the world, and yet they don't own a single item. So that is what is ingenious about Amazon here. But if you take a look at Amazon's site and you scroll down to the bottom, just like at Walmart.com, you should see here, become an affiliate. So same thing with Amazon. You can actually join as an affiliate. See, join now for free. Once you are signed up as an affiliate through Amazon Associates, like I said, you will get a specific Amazon Associate link where you can use, and then what you do is you just simply go into Amazon. You can search their products and find something that you like, something that you find that you can maybe easily sell. Do your research here, guys, because there's gonna be, not every product is gonna sell easily. So do your research once you do become an affiliate and start to market some of the Amazon products, because not all products are going to make you money. So you do have to do some research first before you actually become an affiliate marketer. So what sometimes people do is, say for instance, you are marketing a headphone set. So I don't actually have one here with me, but let's just say you are trying to market this headphone here. So if you go into Amazon.com, you're an affiliate, and then all of a sudden you look for a product within that, And if it's, say, the headphones, what you could do is you can start going on social media sites such as YouTube, make a short video and just open the product, review the product, and show the product as you're reviewing it. Talk about it, the perks, the good, the bad, etc., and basically provide value. And by doing so, what you'll do is you'll start to drive traffic through specific links, and through those links you can get paid. So that's what I love about affiliate marketing, because the basic premises of that is basically that you go on to all these different sites, and basically as an affiliate you get to market and drive traffic. If you can focus on just driving traffic, whether it's organic leads through social media, or if you are marketing through paid advertisement like Google AdWords, Google AdSense, etc., basically once you start driving traffic to these sites and these companies, it's just a matter of time before you start getting paid. It's all about consistency and doing the work, guys. The thing is about any online business is, yes, there is a lot of money to be made. Now, don't take this for granted, guys. I mean, a lot of people are looking for quick ways to make money online. All of these are gonna take some work. I'm not gonna say that you're gonna be an overnight success and strike it rich. However, there are rare cases, if you have a little bit of luck on your side, that can happen. But stick with it, guys. Be consistent. Choose your niche, choose your product, choose something that you enjoy and actually like doing. So whether it is with providing services through Fiverr, Upwork, and PeoplePerHour, find something that you enjoy. So if you like marketing your services, pick one of those sites. If you like e-commerce, if you like selling things, if you like enjoy retail, if you enjoy retail, then pick one of those sites such as Amazon FBA, Shopify, and you can make a killing, but you have to do it smart. And lastly, like I said, with affiliate marketing, I personally, that's what I use. I love social media marketing. And so with affiliate marketing, like I said, you can potentially make a lot of money. But with affiliate marketing, please remember, it's not a get rich quick overnight. Now, if you are consistent and you continue the process, even though it seems like it's not working, but you continue the process and you grind day in and day out, guys, I can assure you, I'm not making any guarantees, but if you be consistent and over time, what you're gonna start seeing is results. And as those results start coming in and you keep doing the work and you keep the consistency, I can assure you that you're gonna see exponential growth. And so that's when the compound effect takes over, and you may see a huge increase in your online sales, whatever it may be, and you can easily scale. The thing about online marketing, the thing with making money online is that you can easily scale and you can easily start compounding and seeing that compound effect over time. So stick with it, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have, please drop me a comment below. Tell me, what I can do to improve. How's the sound quality? I did get me a new video mic. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and also write me a comment below on what you would like to see in any upcoming videos in the future. And also, like I said, if you find this helpful, or if you know someone who wants to get started in making money online, please share this video and hit that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and I will see you guys in the next video.